Every single Google Flow tutorial on YouTube tells you the exact same three things. They show you the basic setup, the standard integration, and that's it. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the information which is real, and also you will come to know why the most people stuck when they start using on Google Flow. Because mostly what happens, they watch any tutorial and they are going back and Google Flow and start trying it. But when they start trying it, they are stuck on the very first step. So let's dive into it, and make sure if you are new onto this channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video. So first of all, you write Google Flow, click the first link, and then it asks you to sign up. So as you can see this icon, I have signed up already. So once you have reached, you will be landing on this page. So once you have landed on this page, you need to first click on new project. After you click on the new project. So here are some basic things. This all media means whatever media you are uploading, it's a video or it's an image. If you go to the characters means which you want to use in your videos. So there are already 6 characters given here. You can write your own, or you can here upload your own character which you want to use in your videos, or add from a different project which you already worked before. Then here is the part scenes. So in the scenes, this is the main thing which everybody misses. So in these scenes, when you make one video, it's a 8-second clip only, and then you will be able to generate a second one. In the tools section, this tools works only for the paid version. So as you see here, upgrade to create tools. So you have to upgrade. So no need. Let's get to the point. So first of all, when you have any video, when you want to make any video, so first of all, you want to make the script. When you want to get the script, so we can do two things. Either we have our own image reference, or we can ask the chat GPT to write a script for any video. So in my case, I have already my reference image, which you will see it's a rough drawing. By using this rough drawing, I will ask the flow to convert it into a realistic photo. So here in my case, I have uploaded a handmade drawing, which I'm going to convert into a realistic photo. For that, we use Nano Banana 2. This is very good for all doing this. So here we select the ratio also, because we are going to make the concentrate on the YouTube videos. So we'll do these settings. Fine. So then we click on the save, and we click on 1x. So we need just one photo only. You click on the plus button, and it will show you all the media which you have uploaded. So we simply click to add to prompt. So now I will ask Flow to convert this drawing into a hyper-realistic scene. So now as you can see, the same drawing has been converted into a full realistic scene. So now let's make it full zoom. So I will ask the Flow to make it full zoom. So see guys, as you can see, that one small drawing has been turned into a full realistic scene. Now I will create my second creation. So now I have opened one hand and it is holding a shark. So I have uploaded one more photo where a hand is holding a small paper-made shark. So I have asked the Flow Nano Banana Pro to change this shark into a small baby shark, real one. So now let's see the results. So now we have turned that drawing into a realistic photo. Now let's combine these two images and convert them into a video. So first of all, we need to make sure the settings, it's 1 and Omni Flash. So this is the pro tip. If you are using VO 3.1 Lite, you are going to save a lot of credits. It use only 10 credits per 8-second video. So now guys, we will bring these two images into life. We'll combine them. Let's see the magic. So here I have done something different. If you see this image is like writing like this. So whenever you have any saved images or saved characters, you want to add them in your scene, you just write the add symbol, and it will show you all your images or your videos or your voice. So you just need to click and it will automatically add it into the prompt. Result is ready. Let's watch the video. So as you can see, so it is so realistic, and it has already automatically added up the sounds as well. So in the same video, like you can do many videos as you want. Now let's go to the next very important step. When you are generating a long video, for example, 10-minute video, 20 minutes video, What would you be doing in that case? So first, in that case, you need to go to the scenes. If you want to extend a scene already, you click on the add button and click the scene. So my case, the scene is the one video which we have created the last step. So here you type the prompt and it will extend the scene. Now, for example, it creates the 8-second scene and you can turn into 10 seconds or 15 seconds maximum. But now let's move into the most important point, which nobody tells you. So most creators who are creating videos on YouTube, I know there are a lot of them helpful. I'm not attacking anybody, but they miss something. When they are making videos or cartoon animation or a short story, nobody tells you about the credits. And when you have seen the other creators creating the videos, creating the YouTube videos, showing the tutorials on Flow, they are creating so many videos. But that is only possible when you have a pro version or you are using multiple of free accounts. When you are using multiple of free accounts, that is also not possible at that time because it takes too much time to create the videos. You can pause the video and you can see this timetable clearly. Here I have mentioned all the plans which Google Flow have, and it tells you exactly how many videos you can make. So like for example, free tier, it is 0, it's free, 50 credits per day, and per clip credits are 20, and maximum 2.5 clips you can make in a one day. So those will be 20 seconds maximum duration. So by free tier, you cannot make a free video which is 7 minutes long, even 4 minutes long. Then AI Plus 4.99 per month, you get 200 credits and 1.3 minutes video you can make. And those credits are monthly. So then you go to the Google AI Pro, 99.99. So almost $20 you pay per month and you get 1,000 credits. You can create around 50 clips, and those 50 clips will be equal to 6.6 minutes video. And when you want to go for the full duration videos on YouTube for documentary, animation, cartoon series, or any type of video, you should have Google AI Ultra, which is $100 per month, 10,000 credits they give you, and 133 minutes of video you can create. So up to 9 minutes, 19 videos you can create. With $200 a month, you get $25,000 credit, 25,000 credits, 333 minutes. So it's going to cost you huge. So this was the point which nobody else tells you. So how long would it take to create a 7-minute video on Flow? Estimated production time 3 to 10 hours per day. So this is also the real truth, which nobody else tells you, because in all the videos they show in 5 minutes, they have created 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long video, which is not real. It actually takes 3 to 10 hours to create a long video using Google Flow, because creating here is not the only step. As you have seen other tutorials, they are showing you need to uh, write the storyboard, collect the images, and then turn those images into clips. Then you need to go to CapCut or any other software, and then you combine all those and then turn it into one video. So how do you calculate? Calculating total clips for a 7 minutes video. So here I have just write a formula where you can where you can calculate how many clips would you need if you want to make a 7 minutes video. So 7 minutes is just baseline time. So total clips needed formula is in 7 minutes there are 420 seconds. So divided by 8 seconds clip. So you will be needed around 53 clips in order to make 7 minutes video. That's it for today. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave in the comment if you have any questions, any queries, or you want to cover up any tool. Just leave in the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.